So for our car Toddler Tales, we have a song that goes to the tune of Old MacDonald, but instead of having animals, Old MacDonald has a car that makes different noises. So I'll sing the first verse and then I'll just say the changes for you and show you the actions. Okay, here we go. Old MacDonald had a car, E-I-E-I-O, and on that car there was a horn, E-I-E-I-O, with a beep beep here and a beep beep there, here beep, there beep, everywhere beep beep. Old MacDonald had a car, E-I-E-I-O. And the next verse that you could sing is, on this car there were some tires, roll, roll, roll. On this car there were some wipers, swish, swish, swish. And the fourth verse is, on this car there was a motor, vroom, vroom, vroom. So that's Old MacDonald Had a Car. I hope you enjoy singing this at home. It's just sort of a different twist on it. Thank you. So to help with our transportation Toddler Tales, we have our turtle today. He's going to help out. So this is a lap bounce that you can do with your child. Just be careful not to let go of them. So it goes, a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a rough road, a rough road, a rough road, an itch. And then you let them fall down. Okay, so that's a fun lap bounce that you can do with small kids. Thank you.